Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Ashley and I love creating custom tufted rugs by bringing you along for the entire process. Today we're making a custom rug with a twist from start to finish. Right now you're looking at the sketch, but by the end of the video, it's going to be transformed into something amazing. If you enjoy rug tufting videos, DIY projects, and creative ideas, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me tuft next. Alright y'all, let's get started. Y'all, why did I run out of yarn and I was almost finished? I just had this little corner left to do. But your girl went on ahead and got up and went to Walmart and bought some yarn and we got back to it. So here's the hair that I will be using. It's actually a Afro puff ponytail. I actually bought 2 of those and I got those from my local beauty supply store. It cost about $10 a pop or $10 a piece. And to be honest with y'all, I didn't even know if this was gonna really work. I am actually trying this out for the very first time. And right here you see that I'm trying to measure it out, trying to get a feel for it and see how I was gonna attach it to the cloth. So I figured I'll just use some Gorilla Glue, stick glue, and I started gluing like around the track part of the ponytail. And then I just place it on the cloth. Then later on you're gonna see that I sew it from the back. Just continue to watch, you will see what I'm talking about. Now right here I'm actually putting the glue onto the cloth so I can glue some of those hair strands down to kind of hide that space between the rug or the yarn and the hair. Now this is the thread I will be using to sew down the hair from the back side. Here you can see where the glue is and you can see it's glued in a circle, and that's where I'm going to thread the needle through to try to thread it and sew it onto the cloth so it can stay on the cloth even if the glue messes up, or not messes up, but like if somebody tug at it and they tug the hair off the glue, it still be able to stay onto the cloth because I sewed it down. Alright y'all, this is how the Afro puff is looking at the moment. I haven't done anything to it just yet. I will do some things to it at the end of the video, so just stay tuned. But for now, I'm just going to cover it up with a trash bag, so when I do the carving of the rug, none of the yarn or fibers or debris will get into the hair. so let's go ahead and do something to this fro. We're gonna go ahead and cut some of this glue that got stuck in the hair. We're gonna cut that out, and we're gonna pick it out. We're gonna shape it and cut it and make it look beautiful. So continue to watch and see how I fix the afro. All right, y'all, here it is. Tell me what you think. This has definitely been one of my favorite projects so far. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about the rug, or if there's another design you would like to see me create. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves creative DIYs or Tufted rugs. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.